Hi, in this video we will discuss about the gateways for Power BI service. First, we have to know about what are the gateways. Gateways are basically the bridge between the data that provide the quick and the secure data transfer between the on-premises data. What are the on-premises data that which are not available in the cloud, and several Microsoft Cloud services like Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Azure Analysis, and the Azure Logic applications. Here are some types of the gateways that on-premises gateways, on-premises data gateway is personal mode and virtual data gateways. For what are the on-premises data gateways? That allows the multiple users to connect to multiple on-premises data sources. With a single gateway installation, you can use the on-premises data gateway with all the supported services. And what are the personal mode allows the user to connect to the data source that cannot be shared with others. And on-premises data source is our personal mode data source which can only be used within the Power BI. Network data gateways are allow multiple users to connect with over multiple data sources secured using the virtual networks. No installation required in this virtual because it is a Microsoft managed service. Here are some requirements that you have to fulfill while installing the on-premises gateways. The first one is the .NET Framework 4.8 must be required. Your Windows 64 or bit version must be required, and 4 GB disk space must be required. These are some related considerations regarding on-premises gateway considerations. Here is the way that how we can set up a gateway in the Power BI. First, you have to open the gateway installation wizard. Then move towards the add developers to the gateway. Assign the gateway admin. Then add the on-premises data sources. Create the gateway, configure, and then check the system requirements. Here are some benefits that why we are using the on-premises gateways. That they are the flexible data update schedule. Power BI gateways allows you to schedule the update of the data on hourly, daily, or weekly basis via direct query. This flexibility allows users to keep their analysis up to date without having to intervene manually. This one is the key feature of this platform. And the most important benefit is that the centralizing control of the data connection in this, they have the ability to manage multiple data connections from a single location in the corporate work. To install the gateway, there is some server information required, which is as follow. Thank you.